Hallo an alle, ich heiße Isaiah und ich liebe deutsches Bier. Prost. I'm gonna miss this beer so much. As well as driving over 100 miles on the Autobahn. Parties don't start until like 12 a.m. over here and end at 5 a.m. Like, it's a completely different world over here. And it's been an amazing experience. I moved here in 2017.
Can you give us a tour?
Today is November 5th, 2020. So I've been out here for a little bit over 3 years. I'm coming back to the US, finally. I'm really excited and pretty sad at the same time because this country is so beautiful and the Army has been quite the experience. I've been in for 6 years now and I'm finally getting out and I couldn't be more excited. And yeah, so this video is just going to be like a compilation of like the past 5 to 6 years of videos that I've accumulated over the years. It's been fucking crazy and I couldn't be any more grateful for all the experiences. So I just wanted to share those experiences with you guys and say thank you to everybody who's been a part of my journey in the military and out of the military. All the people I've met along the way. Thank you for being so kind. And to my brothers in arms, hey, I fucking love you guys and good luck. I'm out. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video and let's get it, run that shit.
Fire a $70,000 missile. 3. Don't wrestle. Get a shot. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
So I got my drone stuck on the roof, but the fire department's here to save my bank account from spending another $400. Got it back. Damn! Hey! So we just finished drinking a little bit, a little bit. Oh hell no, man! I don't even drink like that. 1, 2.
Go! Yes!
We're missing beer.
Hey, yo, hey! The thing's staying out here.
Hey! Being together a 3rd year in a row.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
I'm spending money like I just got paid. $100 bills, tell them keep the change. Come on. Pop a bottle, about to make it rain. Let me give you something now to celebrate. Come on. And if you're wondering why I move the way I do, I just feel so good, good, good. Oh, I just feel so good, good, good. Oh, I just feel so good, good, good. I just feel so good, good, good. Oh, I just feel so good.
Wait, we're getting food, we're getting bottled.
I see the world through my thrift store shades, rose-colored lenses and a fake gold frame. Come on. an air guitar, posing for your picture like a superstar. Yeah, come on. And if you're wondering why I move the way I do, I just feel so good.